Hello, I'm Tafsir Ahmed, and in this video you will get to know why you should hire me. I'm student of LLB Honors under Department of Law at Daffodil International University. My career goal is to become an entrepreneur in upcoming 10 years, and my objective is to enhance my knowledge and become successful. So if you are looking for someone who is skillful, disciplined, hardworking and dedicated to meet the challenges of 21st century for your company, then look no further, I'm here for you. I have been contributing in the management of my family business and also worked in different event management as well. I'm very good at teamwork, communication, analytical works and management as well. I always stay calm and positive. I can handle all Google and Office applications and can also work with Photoshop apps as well. I can speak 4 different languages which are Bangla, English, Hindi and Urdu. I have been an executive member of DIU Voluntary Service Club and also an active member of some other active clubs as well. I regularly attend different training and workshop sessions. I love sports and bicycling too. In 2015, I got first prize in Rexona School of Confidence program, and in 2019, I was selected in top 100 students from over 2,500 students to attend a professional workshop arranged by Career Development Center DIU. Thank you so much for your time, waiting for your kind response. I have a lot more to share. Hope to meet you soon.